Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sign in with artlist.io. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to make sure that you go to artlist.io, and once you're there you should see a screen like this. What you're looking for is the sign in option up at the top right hand corner, or if you are signing up for the first time then you can go ahead and select start free now, which is what we're going to go ahead and do here. So you can see here that once we've done that, you can either sign in with your name, email address, and enter in a password, or you can continue with Google. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. And you'll see there that just by a couple clicks of the button, we are now signed in, and we can continue to use the artlist.io platform. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.